86-inch. We have all our apps, possible video apps. We can go to our HDMI system. We have a capture system to capture all the evidence for cases. And then we can at any time go right to a desktop computer where we can operate in Windows. And then we can get right back by going right back to the OneTouch interface. Just that easy, and all our options are down here for other controls. And then we have, in this courtroom, we have dual, I believe those are 75 or 85s on the either side. We also have a touch screen for the judge. We also have a touch screen for the witness. And this is retro on top of an existing room. We did upgrade, of course, the reinforced audio system. And again, this is all based on the OneTouch system, and you can hear mics are hot. And again, we're running this system on our OneTouch platform. And then at each of the bench, they'll have a microphone. They'll have connections for their laptops and things. This room's got an older kind of style podium with a wireless mic. And then we have our other mic, our other connectors for the presenters. So overall, this room is in pretty heavy use. We've got dual HD cameras. It has assisted hearing. It has every bell and whistle you can think of. And then we also have a document camera here. These rooms are about 40% less than traditional AV. Instead of a control system, we run everything on a computer. And this is the future of the courtrooms. We're tying in high-level security, recording, streaming, and all of the other things you would think that come along with court, like evidence capture and marking. So we have all that accounted for here. Please give us a call if you have any additional questions. We look forward to talking to you. Thanks. Hey guys, just want to do a little quick tour here. This is 3 separate rooms. They're all running OneTouch. And these 3 rooms all work together as one big room for video calls, live streaming. They have separation walls. And so we also have these wonderful acoustic tiles that are a part of our room kits today. This room had very bad audio, and we have gotten it to where instead of treating it with a $50,000 audio system, we put in ceiling tiles. Problem fixed forever, or at least till this building's knocked down. And so you can see we've got our OneTouch interface and all of our different platforms. You'll notice ChatGPT right there. Part of OneTouch is it was built for AI, it was built for VR. It was already built for all these things. We were just waiting for them to come out. And now the true advantage of having a PC at the core of what runs rooms instead of a Crestron control system or an Extron system, we now just run it with the computer. And again, this room can function as one huge room, it can function as multiple rooms. They can all have video conferences, they can all have class, they can all stream. And this is about 40% less than traditional AV rooms. So let us know if you want to check it out, and please give us a call. We'd love to talk to you. This is one of the rooms we're finishing up here at TSU.